Click on the Grace Health app icon to open it. Click on Get Started. If you want to create an account using your Gmail address or Facebook, click on the appropriate option. If you want to create an account using your mobile number, click on the phone icon. Select your country code and type in your mobile number. You will receive an OTP code. Type in the code and click on Verify My Number. Type in your name and then click on Done. Keep in mind, different phones may have different terms, such as enter, click on continue, select the appropriate option based on what you want from the app, and click on continue. Answer the questions asked honestly and to the best of your ability. If you are not sure of the answer, click on I am not sure. The app informs you how it will adjust to new information being added. Keep in mind, your experience may be a little different depending on the information you share. Provide your date of birth and click continue. Congratulations, you've registered on Grace Health. Follow the app instructions to explore the app and understand its features. For more health videos, check out the Priority Health playlist on the Unity website. Thank you.